The Matrice 210 is an image platform that adapts to your needs. This video will show you how to mount the dual downward gimbal. Remove the downward gimbal mounting bracket. Loosen the screw as shown. Remove the 3 gimbal rubber dampeners. Remove the waterproof rubber ring. Remove the 3 screws on the cable cover. Loosen the 2 screws on the mounting piece and remove the mounting piece. Disconnect the camera coaxial cable and gimbal control cable. Remove the camera coaxial cable and gimbal control cable from the cable cover. Remove the gimbal dampening bracket. Keep the components that have been removed. They can be used for installing a single gimbal. Mounting the dual gimbal mounting bracket. Loosen the 4 screws on the dual downwards gimbal cable cover and remove the cover. Loosen the 2 screws on the mounting piece and remove it. Pass the camera coaxial cable and gimbal control cable through the cable cover. Connect the camera coaxial cable. Mount the mounting piece, tighten it with the 2 screws. Note, make the mounting piece of the slot face upwards as shown. Connect the gimbal control cable. Tighten the cable cover with 4 screws. Mount the waterproof rubber ring. Mount the dual downward gimbal module to the aircraft. Align the screw holes, mount the gasket and tighten the screw. Perform the same steps to mount the other gaskets and screws. Note that the Zinmuse X4S and Zinmuse X5S can only be mounted to the gimbal port 1. Thank you for watching.